Wow, it is so hot today.
Mom! Dad! He is too hot. He needs the cold.
Wow, it is so hot today.
Yes, the sun is very strong.
Mom, I am so hot. We are very thirsty, Mom.
Go look in the fridge. There is cold apple juice.
Yay! I will get the juice for us. Whoa! What is this? Mom! Dad, come here quickly! Ah!
Are you okay, Anna? Oh my goodness!
It is freezing!
How is this possible? Where is the juice? Look over there.
What is that? It is a penguin. He is so cute! Hello, little friend. Can we keep him, Mom? Please, Mom. No, Peter, it is too warm here. We have to take him back. He is too hot. He needs the cold.
Oh, poor baby. Give him some ice, Emma.
Good idea. Here we go. Here is some cold ice for you.
He likes it. Ah! He is very hungry. He is going home. Goodbye, little penguin.
What an amazing adventure!
Okay, we must close the door now.
Goodbye, Winter.
Wait. I still want my apple juice. The snow is gone, but we found the juice.